Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? Say it with me, bro. Please. If you not new here, come on, bro. You already know what we about to do, bro. Pause. Um, Come on, bro. Just say it with me, bro. It's MET. Come on, man. Gotta do it with me. Pause, bro. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? It's been a long while, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Um, Dog, boy, it's been so much life shit that's been going on, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna go too deep in everything, but I feel like I do owe y'all just a a little bit of an explanation. Just a long story short. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, can we like move this out the way or no? Okay, I'm guessing not. But, long story short though, it's really just been like family problems. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna go too deep into it. Like I said, everybody got their own problems, so I'm not gonna just sit up here and make it seem like my problems were special or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Um, and then just really just December, I really don't trade during December. You know what I'm saying? So, hey man, we just going we just hey, you know what I'm saying? I needed some time off. I was just chilling, sitting back, and I don't know what the fuck this candlestick is doing. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't know what is going on right here. I'm not even gonna sit up here and try to. It's green, but it's I don't know. I don't know. The last candlestick ended weird too. So, but yeah, man. What's up with y'all, man? Hopefully y'all been good. Hopefully life been treating y'all good. Hopefully y'all been staying blessed out here, staying safe. You feel me? All that. So, yeah, man. I'm not really gonna go too much into detail on like what's been going on, but like I said, just family problems and all that type of stuff. Now I do look kind of tired because I did. I'm not gonna say I woke up late, but it was news this morning, so I decided to, you know, wake up a little later and trade a little later. So don't be my ass, alright? My fault, bro. Trust me. My bad, bro. I'm still getting in the hang of things. This isn't my first time trading this week. This is my third third time. So, yeah, man. Life update. I'm affiliated now. So, hey, man, if y'all need a new broker, a reliable broker, because I'm not with Hanko Trade no more. After that whole little situation, a lot of people was asking me about it and everything. Um, Click the link in the description to find out who I broker with. And, hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? If you look like I'm not even trying to bullshit. If you're looking for a reliable broker, you know what I'm saying? Good spreads, good customer service, quick withdrawals. And I'm not just saying this shit. Y'all know me. I don't just say shit just to say shit. If I'm actually using it, I actually want like some good, you know what I'm saying, some good quality shit. You feel me? So hey man, I just hope y'all having a good day. Like I said, if y'all looking for a new broker, click links in the description. Fuck, ain't shit changed about me stuttering. God damn it, bro. But yeah, just click the link in the description down below. As well as the platform I use too, that I'm using right now. I'm not using it on this account, but this is just my live account. I'm testing, you know what I'm saying? I'm through the little bread in. You know what I'm saying? We just seeing what we can do with it, yo. So yeah, man. I'm glad to be back though. You feel me? So I'm glad to be back, man. I've really been trying to work on like getting everything else set up. Um, Probably like making more connections and stuff like that. So you know what I'm saying, making more connections. I'm trying to get back into the flow of things. Not just trading wise, but just just life wise in general. Cause it's been a crazy past couple of months. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But hey man, I'm back. I feel good. I look good. I hope so. Unless I'm ugly as shit. If I'm ugly as shit, just let me know. Like real talk. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm happy to be back, bro. I missed y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I missed y'all like crazy. I was seeing all these other little clips on TikTok of people making YouTube videos, live trading videos, and I'm like, damn, dog. But yeah, man, we back though. But we got this little quick little, you know what I'm saying, demand setup on Gbpjpy. as you can see, I'm gonna turn my crosshair on you just for a little minute, and then boom. So, you know what I'm saying? We got this nice little big engulfing candle, and this is my zone right here. This, you know what I'm saying? This, I'm not gonna say half of it, but it's a decent size. But you know, it follows, it meets. I was about to say it follows the criteria. The fuck am I talking about? It meets the criteria of me of taking this trade from you. So yeah, man. Okay, bro. I'm awake. Obviously, what the fuck? I'm fucking awake. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just. I think I'm. Where'd I get in at? 185, 844. Yeah. Okay, honestly, I think that's a 1 to 2 to be honest. I don't know what that exactly what that lines up to be, but I'm gonna just hop out right here because I really just want to talk to y'all. Now that was a nice little one. Okay, so boom. Yeah, that was a nice little one right there. I really just wanted to get up here, catch a dub with y'all, and you know, just vibe out with y'all boys. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up real quick for y'all that want to see the risk to reward. Bro, okay, hold on. This gotta stop. But yeah, my phone's not on D&D, bro. Fuck. But yeah, man. I believe I got into this trade. If we're being honest, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Probably right here, cause yeah, it's where it touched. Yeah, and then my stop losses were right below this candle that we entered off of. And this is a nice, beautiful trade. Almost a 1 to 2. But I didn't really feel like holding it. And plus, another thing is I didn't take it on my challenge account. When I was getting everything set up, as soon as I hopped on the computer, I saw this set up and I took it on here. And then I guess I didn't have Gbpjpy added on my phone because I'm trading my live account on my computer and my challenge account on my phone. Could be. I wish I could. I can trade my broker on here, on my laptop next to me, and then challenge account on here. But I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? I want to showcase y'all, you know what I'm saying, the broker that I'm using, you know what I'm saying? It's nice, smooth. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't see the shit lagging and freezing and, you know what I'm saying, doing all the extra bullshit. Like I can tell you, if I'm gonna promote something and be like, hey, make sure y'all go sign up. And by the way, bro, if you go sign up with the link in the description, you know what I'm saying, you help me out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you help me out. You get a good broker. You get content from me. And you helping somebody out, bro. Come on, you don't want them to help. Fuck. You don't want to help nobody get out the hood, bro. I'm just saying. But yeah, man, no, they like all the bullshit aside though, they a real good broker though. You feel me? I fuck with them. Withdraw, like I said, withdrawals are quick. And I know a lot of people was really just panicking and shit, just for the pure fact that, you know, Hanko was going down the drain. My Forex fund went down the drain. I ain't gonna say Hanko went down the drain, because they still operate decently. You know what I'm saying? I was using it and shit. But, hey, man, sometimes you just need to change, because I ain't gonna lie, it was a little situation that happened between them. I don't know exactly. It was months ago, but when I had some shit going on when I entered the trade and entering me in like hella late, and I took 2 back-to-back losses because of that. But hey, man, that's that. Explain while I was gone. I'm low key tired as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I smoked hella weed last night, boy. Woke up at 3 a.m. No water, so I'm low key kind of thirsty. So I'm gonna try not to make this shit too long. But yeah, man. Damn. I felt like I really had a lot to say, but I just didn't say it all. You feel me? Like I just really wanted to focus on talking, and I don't know, focusing on talking, I don't know what the fuck to talk about. Like, man, fuck that. We finna spit some motivational shit, man. Look, bro. Look, man. So, this is really for my traders who feel like last year either was not a success or either up to the level that they thought they were gonna like be at by the end of the year. Look, bro. One thing I learned in this trading journey is simply, bro, don't try to put a date on shit. Cause I definitely used to be guilty of this shit. I used to be like, man, by the end of this year, I'ma have like 10 racks. I'ma be up by this much. You know what I'm saying, I'ma have this. I'ma have that. And, you know what I'm saying, usually you don't be there. You know what I'm saying? So don't feel bad if you're not where you want to be at. But just like really just think about it. Just like, look, okay, did I gain knowledge? Do I got more knowledge this year? You know what I'm saying? Did you end the year out with more knowledge? You feel me? Man, fuck all that materialistical shit. It'll come when it come. Pause. But you know what I'm saying? Like I said, bro, everything will happen in due time if you are, you know what I'm saying, if you deserve it. You know what I'm saying? If you put in the work, constantly fix your mistakes, stay disciplined, it's gonna come to you sooner or later, bro. I'm telling you. It's gonna come to you sooner or later. So you really just gotta just stay humble, you know what I'm saying? Stay locked down and just don't try to like it's cool to manifest, but bro, you know what I'm saying? Manifest like don't manifest too hard and get your hopes up too hard, you know what I'm saying? Cause look, bro, like everything, like I said, if you deserve it, it's gonna come to you. So, just bro, like even if you didn't end the year off profitable, or finish where you was at, bro, just still, you know what I'm saying? It was a good year, bro. You still alive, you still here. You still able to get better at trading. So, hey, bro, like I said, I just always try to tell people, just take their time, bro. Don't try to put no, I'm gonna be, oh yeah, I'm gonna be up by like 25 years old. Look, bro, like I learned to just stop putting, putting dates on stuff and just, hey, bro, just get it done. You feel me? Just go ahead and get it done. Go ahead, lock in. Just hey, just put your head down and work, bro. Oh fuck. Ah, damn. Um, trying to see how the better way to say that shit. Cause I got a freaky ass mind. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was not gonna pass me. Um, just put your head down and just, you know what I'm saying, continue to just hit the rock like a miner or some shit, you know what I'm saying, when they dig in the tunnels and shit. I sound like an old ass history teacher, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's one of the reasons I really can't be a motivational speaker, cause I like in my head when I'm saying shit, I'll really be baking the fuck on my ass, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm really just not gonna be trying to be too over motivative, because I'm not just trying to keep saying shit. But yeah, man, I just hope y'all having a good life though. Like, and if y'all in a rough position right now, bro, just keep going, dog. I was in a rough position. I'm not gonna say I'm still in one, but things have gotten alright. You know what I'm saying? Things is alright, but hey, bro, just know you ain't the only one in the world, bro. Either find somebody to talk to it about, and just, you know what I'm saying, get through that shit. And it's not gonna be easy, bro. Like, you can pray and pray and pray, but then, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not dissing God in no type of way, you know what I'm saying? I don't rush. Look, I believe in God. I pray. I try to pray every day. I'm not perfect, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying? Just because he ain't answered immediately don't mean I'm gonna stop praying. I'm gonna just keep praying, keep having faith, and just, hey, keep doing what I'm doing, bro. But like they say, when you going through the utmost and, like, the most craziest shit, bro, you may feel like, oh, man, like, God not listening to me, or, you gonna start thinking negative, but bro, I promise you, like, when you go through enough bad situations, you start to not even want to think like that, because like, bad times not gonna last forever. So, um, just maybe hopefully I could help somebody with that, with my little, slip situations and shit. And hopefully somebody, listening, needed to hear that though. So, hopefully it reached the right person, save a life, encourage somebody, all that. So, um, yeah, man, I'm glad to be back. Out of everything, I'm saying, I'm glad to be back. You feel me? So it's just a little early right now, so I'm really just kind of tired for real. But hey, man, I just want to make fuck stay stutter. I just want to come up here and give y'all a little win real quick. You feel me? So in the next video, it's just gonna be strictly just trading, not like a whole bunch of talking and shit. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know what I mean. Not like, just a whole bunch of just talking and updating and, what I'm saying, all that other shit. So, look forward to this next video, bro. This is the first live trading video of 2024. So, man, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. I've been talking for long enough. Y'all ready probably to go back to sleep, but my alarm gonna keep going off. I think it's a sign. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later though, man. Make sure y'all have a good day. You know what I'm saying? Like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hey, man. Bro, what you looking at, bro? Like, come on, man. You just really just gonna stare at me, bro? Like, I just gave you a whole live trading video. What more do you want from me?